Hello friends, welcome again. Friends, in this short video, we want to understand the difference between linguistics and phonetics. Friends, linguistics is actually the science of studying language. Okay, and there are many branches of linguistics as you can see here in this graph. Like phonetics is a branch of studying language, branch of linguistic which studies the speech sounds, how the sounds are produced. Okay, phonology is another branch of linguistic. It studies the phonemes of language. Then morphology is the third branch of linguistics. It studies the words and their formation of words. Then we have syntax studies the formation of sentence, how sentences are constructed in a language. Okay, then we have semantics and pragmatics. Both are concerned with how the meaning comes out from the language. So there are different branches of linguistics. So today we want to understand the difference between linguistics and phonetics, right? Now, linguistics is the science of studying language, okay? But phonetics is a branch of linguistics, okay? Phonetics is the science of studying speech sounds, how the vowels, how the consonants are produced, how they are articulated. That is studied by phonetics. Okay, linguistics includes semantics, phonetics, pragmatics, syntax, morphology. These are the different branches of linguistics, but phonetics focuses only on how the sounds are produced, how they are articulated. And the scholar who studies linguistics is known as a linguist, and the scholar who studies phonetics is known as a phonetician. So friends, I hope the difference between linguistics and phonetics is clear to you. Thank you very much.